cutest advents, you guys? I mean, I know we've seen a lot of different advent calendars and some are pretty, some of them are gorgeous and beautiful or luxury, but this one I think gets the best cuteness award. I mean, it's just so adorable with the little pink, and then look, there's little characters on here and they're all completing different things. I mean, guys, look, the avocado is looking for books. Hey, beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings, specifically advent calendars right now. It is the season for advents, and I do have to tell you guys, I had a goal initially to get through all of the advent calendars by December 1st, and it's not gonna happen, you guys. I did try though. In my defense, I did try. So today we're going to be looking at the advent calendar from Glow Recipe. This is their 12 days of glow for 2024. Now, I did do a previous unboxing of this calendar last year, which was the first time ever that Glow Recipe put out an advent. They severely underestimated how many of us love their brand, and I'm included in this. And last year they sold out of this advent in no time. I got it the day it launched, and I'm pretty sure it sold out within a couple of days after that. This year they went online and said, we're prepared, we have the inventory now. I mean, they have a ton. They actually announced that there were 18,000 people on the wait list for this advent calendar, you guys. So they created a whole bunch. It is still in stock as of the timing of this video as well. Right now it retails for $95 if you would like to purchase the advent. They do guarantee there's going to be 3 full-size products in here, but then there's also a mixture of travel-sized items in here in addition to that. So for packaging, super cute. Like I said, you've got this adorable little story on here. It says, this is your fruit friends. From your daily positive affirmation to your daily reminder to hydrate, your favorite fruits have come to life to remind you to take it day by day and skin by skin. I love my fruits. They're so cute. So when you open up the advent, it will look like this. And I will tell you guys, this is not like a cheap cardboard. It is very sturdy. You absolutely could reuse this if you want to. It is obviously going to say Glow Recipe on here. So if you're okay with that, you could restock this with your own products. I do like the size of this one. It's not too big, it's manageable, it's really cute, and I like that the drawers are all different sizes too. So I do think this one is made well, and I like the size. Starting with day number 1, we're gonna look in our first drawer. This is what it will look like though for the actual compartment. And then inside, we've got our first item. Surprise, it's Glow Recipe. Hopefully you figured that out by now, that everything in here will be from Glow Recipe. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This is a moisturizing cream and it's infused with plum extracts. So this is a miniature version of it. However, I feel like this lasts a good while as well. So it's a lightweight, creamy gel moisturizer. It has 3 different types of plum extracts inside. There's also hyaluronic acid in here. And the idea is to give you long-lasting moisture and hydration throughout the day. So I have used this product. Truthfully though, I've pretty much used everything from Glow Recipe because I am obsessed, you guys. This is the one brand that I will use everything in this calendar because I love it and I stand by it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. That way you can take a look at it here. This is so cute because it's in the shape of a plum. They've got a little notch over here to give you that idea. So it's an all glass jar, and even though this is miniature sized, sometimes I will buy these deliberately because they're a perfect travel size to take with you on the go. And there's a lot of product in here. So even though it says mini, truthfully, there's enough in here to use this several times. So even though it says mini, don't be fooled by it, you guys. Like, this is an awesome product to have in here. Next up in day 2, we have the Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. This is designed for your lips. So once again, it's infused with the plum extracts and it's going to give you hydration, but it also has a little bit of a glossiness to it, but it's still a balmy texture. So it's a really great product, and I'm pretty sure this is full size, you guys. This is 15 grams or 0.52 ounces. I am pretty dang sure this is a full size product here. So this is what it will look like outside of the box. Gorgeous little glass jar. And again, it kind of looks like a plum. I love how they do that. Just so cute. And then inside, this is what your balm will look like. And it's just a really great hydrating, comforting balm. So if you have dry lips, dry cracked lips, this product is perfect at healing that. Moving on to day number 3, inside of this drawer, we do have a travel size version of their Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So this is a lotion formula. That is one thing that's kind of awesome is Glow Recipe will make a lot of products that are very similar to one another, but they'll be different textures depending on what you like. So this one is their lotion texture, but it's still going to be a moisturizer to give you hydration. Holy bananas, the shadows now are crazy. Did you notice that the sun just came out? I'm not kidding. 2 seconds ago it was snowing, you guys, and now all of a sudden the sun is out. There, that's much better. You guys, I literally just hung newspaper in my windows. Okay, where were we? I think we were up to day 4, so we're gonna open up day 4 next. Inside of this drawer, we have an accessory. Now, Glow Recipe did do this last year. They gave us a couple of different like hair clips and things. They're not my favorite item to receive. I'll be honest with you guys. I would much rather get an actual beauty product, even if it is sample size. I mean, that's the thing is that I love their products so much that I'm not even unhappy with the miniature or the samples, but I would rather have the beauty product over the hair clips personally. So this is what's in day 4 with a cute little watermelon design. These are all just stickered crystals that they've put on here. Hopefully they don't fall out because, you know, if they fall out, it kind of defeats the purpose. You know what I mean? Like, they're the whole shtick, so I hope they stay in place. Moving on to day number 5, inside of this drawer, we have the sample of the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. So this is 5 ml of product. Now, I do know it's a sample, but like I said, some of us, including myself, because I love this brand so much, I will still use these samples, even though it's only 5 ml of product. So this one is their toner. It does have a bit of a brightening effect to this as well, but it's also going to even out your skin's tone and texture. Next up in drawer number 6, this one is their Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. We have 20 ml, so this is their travel size version. This is a soft cleanser that has ceramides in here and prebiotics. So this will remove your makeup, dirt, oils, things like that, but it's also going to be providing excellent nutrients for your skin at the same time. I have used this cleanser before and it is very gentle, which is something that I like. It doesn't strip my skin or make it feel more dry afterwards, because sometimes there are cleansers out there that will do that and my skin just feels so dry or raw afterwards, but this one doesn't do that. So the avocado, very nice. We also have their famous Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner. So this toner, this is probably one of the first products I ever tried from Glow Recipe, you guys. So it features watermelon extracts inside, and it is going to have AHAs and BHAs. The toner itself is going to help to clear out your pores, but then to also reduce the look of them. So if you have enlarged pores, the first step is to clean them out, and you'll want to use your cleanser, but then you can follow up with the toner to help to shrink and minimize the look. I think I said it had AHAs, it's PHAs, excuse me. So this is PHAs, which isn't that the polyhydroxy acid and not the AHAs, which is the alpha one. It's just a different type of acid is the only thing. So just to clarify it, like it shows on the bottle, it is a PHA with a BHA. It sounds like I'm listing off like all these degrees or something like that. And now I feel like I made it more complicated. It's a good product though. Next up in day number 8, we have their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. Now, you guys, I gotta tell you, like I said, I've been a huge addict of Glow Recipe for years. I love their niacinamide drops. I'm not a huge fan though of having the color tint added, and that's the only difference with this product is because it has a little bit of this golden bronzy color, so you can see it here. But they make their OG drops are just clear and they feature niacinamide inside and they're great. I love it, but this will give you a little bit of that bronzing effect, and I don't know, it's just not, it's not my favorite. I wish this would have been just the regular one. But maybe that's just me, you guys. It's still a good product. It's going to be very effective. And I do think maybe for winter it'll work out well, give you a little bit of a bronze at the same time. So day 9 and day number 12 are the largest doors in this calendar. So we are up to day number 9 right now. We're going to open this one up together. So I'm going to try and slide this out, you guys, and see what's in here. So inside of this very large box, we have the... Oh! Ask and you shall receive! This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Drops. Shut up, you guys. I did not know that was gonna happen. I swear I've not looked in this advent. I mean, I never look ahead ever, but I did not know that was gonna be in here. So this is what I was just talking about. I love these dewdrops, and this is the OG product, so they're just clear. I am so excited. This is their miniature version that we have here, and it will give you a dewy glow after using this product. It brightens your skin. It also reduces the look of like dark spots. If you have any like redness, this is also going to tone that down as well, but it will give you an overall glow. And it's so cute. So this is the miniature version, but the full-size version looks exactly like this, just a larger bottle. So I love that you just get this cute little bottle of it. It's like the perfect replica. The size on this is 15 ml or half an ounce. This makes me very excited. So day number 9 was worth it. In day 10, we have a full-size product in here. This is the Strawberry Pore Smoothing Blurring Drops, you guys. This is 30 ml or 1 ounce. Excellent product. Again, if you've not tried it, I recommend it. But I mean, I recommend all of their products. I'm very biased. So this is infused with strawberry extracts. It will help to blur the look of your pores, but also reduce the size of them as well. It's also going to be a primer where it will lock your makeup in place by keeping oils away throughout the day. So this is going to stop those oils from coming through your makeup and giving you that really shiny, greasy look. So this is what it looks like here. Gorgeous strawberry color as well. And it's a serum formula. So it's kind of like a mixture of skincare and makeup all in one. There's no color to this, but because it is a makeup primer and then it's also your skincare serum, you kind of get the best of both worlds. Start singing Hannah Montana over here. We are almost to the end of this calendar. We are at day 11 right now. And inside of this one, we have a miniature eye roller. Didn't we get this last year? Maybe we didn't. I know we got the hair clips, but I thought in one of the days we got one of these mini rollers last year. I would need to go rewatch my video. So this is what it will look like here. I'm guessing they sell this on the website because it has a barcode and everything. It doesn't look like it's just a product that they threw in the advent. Gosh, it is cute. Look at how cute it is. Oh my goodness. I do think it's adorable. I mean, it's like Barbie's roller, you guys. So tiny. It's designed to apply serums in the under eye area here. So you're able to massage this in. This is great if you do have really puffy skin. You can actually throw this in the freezer and make it really cold. Don't give yourself frostbite, you know, make sure that it's not that cold, but you want to cool it down and it will actually help to take down any puffiness that you might have. It will help to brighten up that under eye area as well as you apply your serums in there. You could also do like your anti-wrinkle creams as well, and this will help to massage it all in. So it is really cute. I mean, I will say I have gotten so many rollers over the years, but I've never gotten a small one like this. So I kind of love it. Last door, you guys. We are up to day number 12 in this advent, and it is the largest day in here. And number 9 was very promising, so I'm hoping this is just as good. So we're gonna open up day number 12 here. I know it's Glow Recipe. It says that on top of it. Inside, we have the Watermelon Glow Mist. This is great, and it's full size. I just now realized. And that rhymed. What is going on today? So this is 75 ml of product. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This mist you can spritz on, and it is a really soft facial mist. So it's a great pick-me-up throughout the day, but it's also infused with hyaluronic acid. So it gives you a little bit of moisture. I don't feel like this is going to be as strong as like your moisturizer or a lotion, but it's a soft mist to give you a dewy look with a little bit of a pick-me-up inside of it. So you want to use this product in combination with your other treatments for your skincare routine. I would recommend that after you've done like, all your skincare look, you've done all your cleansing, your toning, you could finish with a nice spritz of this, and that would be the last step of that skincare routine. But you could also put this on over top of makeup as well. It won't lock it in as a setting spray, but it will give you a little bit of a dewy, refreshed look. So you could do it either way, but I do love this product. Love that it's full size in here also. So that is everything inside of the Glow Recipe 12 Days of Glow. I forgot the name of it. 12 Days of Glow Advent Calendar. Comment down below, let me know, what do you guys think? Personally, my gut is telling me this is not an Advent for everyone. I think you have to be obsessed with Glow Recipes products like I am in order to find the value in this Advent. For those of us that buy all of these products on a regular basis, I think there's a great discount here for that reason. But if you just tend to buy it randomly and you like one product or one off, I don't think this is going to have enough value in it for you, if that makes sense. So I'm not trying to exclude anyone, but I just don't think this is an Advent that has an amazing deal unless you really love Glow Recipe. But thankfully I do, so I personally love this. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think of the Glow Recipe Advent Calendar for 2024? We can talk all about it. And where are we putting this at on our best to worst list? Honestly, I think this is going to be very controversial because I don't think it's terrible. I think it goes very high on my best list. But I also know for some of my other viewers, they're going to be like, no, there's not enough product there for $95. So this one, I have a feeling we're going to struggle with where to put this at on the list. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!